Hey everybody, it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite jellies out there. It's jalapeno jelly. You guys know jalapeno peppers are definitely one of my favorite peppers, and it's my original chili pepper obsession, the one that got me into all this crazy, awesome chili pepper land. But I always have jalapeno jelly in my fridge. It's really super easy to make, and when you have a lot of peppers coming out of your garden, or if you're really just in the mood to make it, it's definitely something you want to have. It's not only good for spreading on your morning toasts and all that kind of stuff in the morning, but it's really good for making starter like sweet sauces and sweet glazes. So think like a nice piece of grilled fish, or tossing some grilled chicken wings with your jalapeno jelly and some other ingredients. It's just absolutely delicious. So hey, let me show you how to make them.